Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So for our Madras School of Economics question series sample question, we have come up to question 20. So let us read out the question. From macroeconomics, in the Keynesian cross diagram, when output supply, that is the production equals aggregate demand, then what we can state that the economy is in disequilibrium, the economy is in a recession, planned saving equals planned investment, and prices are stable. So in the Keynesian cross diagram, the economy is in equilibrium when output supply is equals to output demand. Output supply is equals to aggregate demand. So this means that the total amount of goods and services produced in the economy is equal to the total amount that households, firms, government and the foreign sector are willing to buy. So here we have aggregate demand which consists of C, I, G and net exports, and the output supply, that is the production, represents the total amount of goods and services produced by the economy. So when these two are equal, the economy is in equilibrium. So at this point planned saving will be equal to planned investment. So the option will be C, correct answer. Why? Because at equilibrium the total planned spending matches the output, and it states that saving equal investment in the Keynesian model, and planned saving equal planned investment. So there is no unintended inventory accumulation in this case. No unintended inventory accumulation, which imply that firms do not need to adjust production or prices. What we are having for question 21, for multi-fiber agreement is related to what? So multi-fiber agreement is an agreement. Let us first know what is this agreement about. Correct. So multi-fiber agreement was an agreement that was governed the global trade of textile and clothing, and it was established in 1974. So under the GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, and it aimed to limit the growth of textile and apparel exports from developing countries to developed countries through the use of quota restriction. So the MFA was placed until 2004, but then it was replaced by ATC, that is Agreement on Textile and Clothing. So under WTO. So here the answer will be A. So the correct answer, the multi-fiber arrangement was related to the trade of textile and clothing. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, do contact us at this number. We will guide you up with everything. And if you need any clarification or further details, do contact us at this number. Best of luck students for your examination.